G'day and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. So as you can see, I am currently in the middle of the road of my old street. So as you guys know, I now have a bigger workshop. Bigger workshop means more room means more things to do. So what we're going to be doing is moving Grace out of the yard. Well, I've actually moved her out of the yard, and we are going to be getting another project to be working on. So this is something that we have lined up. I've had lined up, should I say, for quite some time now. So let me just fill you guys in. We had a customer not too long ago reach out and ask if they could do an engine upgrade, possibly some brakes on an old vehicle. I'm not going to say what sort of vehicle it is, but it's something old, something with an A series engine, and they wanted us to do it at work. Essentially, my boss said, mate, no, that's not what we do, not here anyway. But funny enough, I have this guy named Tomo who is able to do the job. So I reached out and I offered to do the job for him, and he was more than happy to get it done. So I'm going to document the entire thing, but until then, I wonder what you guys think the new vehicle is going to be. I'm still working on IGs at the moment, at the time of filming this anyway, so probably by the time you see it, this is probably well and truly underway. So guys, I really want to know what you guys think the newest vehicle I'm going to be working on is, but I guess you'll probably find out in the next episode. So guys, little sneak peek. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you're enjoying the channel and all the content. I've been working over Christmas. Well, at the time now, it's just after Christmas. It's only a couple of weeks into the new year, so still quite ahead with a lot of my filming that I've been doing, which is always good. It's always good to, be able to get ahead for the new year. So hope you guys are enjoying the channel. Hope you're enjoying the new content, the things that I've been doing, and enjoying the IGs series as well. So guys, like always, stay COVID safe, and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.